All right. Yes, in this video, you're going to see how you can light up the Jikokoa Stove. Yes. Yeah, so the Jikokoa Stove actually comes in a box. This is the new design. Yes, the first thing you're going to do is actually get our stove from the box. It will come with a manual and it will have a registration of the warranty. Make sure you check that out, read through it, and make sure that you have your warranty registered. Yeah, so we shall place our stove on a flat bench or surface. Yes, the first thing we shall place our charcoal, our manda, into the combustion chamber. Make sure you don't fill it up, just leave some little bit of space in the combustion chamber. Next is to remove our ashtray. Yeah, so we shall get dry pieces of paper. Make sure still you use dry charcoal. Yes, we shall light that up, and within a few minutes it will be lit up. Yeah, so as you can see, once our charcoal is completely lit, as you can see up there, you can be in position to yeah, as you can see, very fast it is already lit. The next step will be actually to put our ashtray back in. Yes, that ashtray also acts as a regulator. Yes, it acts as a regulator. So if you want to regulate on temperature, you can always adjust the space between the ashtray. So when you leave more space, that means more air is going through into the combustion chamber, and that is more heat. If you reduce, that means even less air is coming in, and even the temperature will go down. Yeah, so if you want this stove in Uganda, you can reach out to Pro Cooking, and that is formerly known as Easy Life Holdings, or else you can reach out to Bright Life Uganda. Those are the two official distributors of the Jikokoa Stove. God bless.